Guys, if you're looking at getting the intake breathing strips, I just wanted to do a quick review on them. I've been using them for about a week now, and I wanted something because I've been so congested. I'm pregnant right now, and I've been so congested this pregnancy, and I know these have helped my husband before. He's told me that they've helped with his snoring, so I was let me try it. So I've been trying them, and I'm someone that's very sensitive with something that's on my skin. So I was worried if I'm gonna be able to sleep with this at night, because I don't like sleeping with jewelry or anything, but I was able to sleep with it without a problem. I actually slept really good. So this one that I got comes with a 15-day trial, so I only have a few left, but basically you put these applicators on your nose, and it's really easy because guess what? Just scan the QR code and they will tell you exactly what to do and how to do it. It also comes with a bunch of different sizes for your nose, so you can try them out, and then it tells you that you can use this as an applicator to put this on. Sometimes I've done that, sometimes I've just done it with my fingers. I'm getting good at it, so sometimes I don't even take this step out. But yeah, I've been really liking this. This is how, like, basically throughout the day I'm congested too, so I'm like, I can't really breathe well through my nose, but like you're gonna hear this, like, look, like so much more air. The first initial put on, I feel like I need, like, I wouldn't be able to fall asleep immediately. Like, someone put this on me in the middle of the night, I might wake up, but like your nose adjusts so well to this. So now I'm like, it's just like such a different feeling, and I wake up great. So I really been liking these things. They sent me this in exchange for my honest review, and I highly recommend it.